In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to always display external images in Gmail. Alright, so I'm starting here on my browser and I'm just going to head over to gmail.com. Once the page loads up, I'll go ahead and make sure I'm signed into my account. And now I'm looking at my inbox with all my emails showing. From here, I'm going to move up to the top right corner of the screen and you'll see that little gear icon. That's the settings button, so I'm just going to click on that. A small panel opens up with some quick options, but what we want is the full settings page. So I'm going to click on See All Settings, and now it takes me into the main settings area where all the detailed options are. Across the top you'll see different tabs like General, Labels, Inbox, and a few others. I'm going to make sure I'm on the General tab. If it's not already selected, just go ahead and click on it. Alright, now that I'm in the General tab, I'm going to scroll down a bit because the setting we're looking for isn't right at the top. As I scroll, you'll see a bunch of different options related to how Gmail behaves. I'm going to keep going until I find the section labeled Images. It's usually somewhere in the middle of the page, so just take your time scrolling until you see it. Okay, here it is. Under the Images section, you'll see a couple of options for how Gmail handles external images in emails. Right now, I'm going to select the option that says Always Display External Images. I'll just click on that so it's selected. Once that's done, Gmail will automatically show images in your emails without asking you first, so you won't have to click to display them each time. Now at this point the setting is selected, but it hasn't been saved yet, so we need to scroll down to the bottom of the page. I'm just going to scroll all the way down until I see the Save Changes button. There it is right at the bottom. I'm going to click on Save Changes, and Gmail refreshes and takes me back to the inbox, and that's it. From now on, external images in your emails will automatically display without any extra prompts and you're all set.